How to add Klarna to OnePay. Make sure the OnePay app is updated to the latest version on your device. Sign in to your OnePay account using your registered email and password. Complete all required identity verification if it is not already finished. Check that your personal and financial details are correct in your profile. Look for the One Pay Later or Pay Later feature inside the app. Confirm that the Pay Later option is available and active for your account. Choose a store or online checkout that supports Klarna payments. Add items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Select OnePay as your preferred payment method during checkout. Choose the Pay Later option that is powered by Klarna if it appears. Read and accept the Klarna terms and repayment conditions carefully. Provide any extra information requested by Klarna for approval. Wait for the instant approval decision to be completed. Finish the purchase and manage repayments through OnePay or Klarna. Thank you for watching.